Welcome to Data Pro. In this video, we will look at interesting application of data science in various domains. Data is the necessity of industries and therefore data science has a large number of applications. There are various industries like banking, finance, manufacturing, e-commerce, healthcare, and many more that use data science. As a result, there are several data science applications related to it. Fraud detection is very crucial matter for banking industries. The biggest concern of the banking sector is to ensure the complete security of the customers and employees. With data science, banks can manage their resources efficiently. The implementation of data science in banking is changing the face of the banking industry rapidly. Furthermore, banks can make smarter decisions through management of customer data, risk modeling, real-time predictive analytics, and customer segmentation. Finance is one of the most critical sectors in the world. Financial industries need to automate risk analytics in order to carry out strategic decisions for the company. Financial companies use data science for fraud prevention, risk management, credit allocation, customer analytics, and algorithm trading. Data science plays a valuable role in the finance industry and can steer organizations away from financial catastrophes towards financial opportunities. Data science can also be used in the production of new items or improve an existing item to analyze consumer preferences and market trends. With the addition of technologies like the Internet of Things or IoT, data science has enabled the companies to predict potential problems, monitor systems, and analyze continuous stream of data. Data science is said to change the manufacturing industries dramatically. Industries can monitor their energy cost and can also optimize their production hours with the help of machine learning technologies. Traffic has significant impact on livability and efficiency in cities. Data science helps in identifying alternative routes and will help to manage traffic efficiently. In the transportation sector, data science is actively making its mark in making self-driving environment for the drivers. Companies like Uber is using data science for price optimization, providing better experience to their customers. In the healthcare industry, data science is making great leaps. There are several fields in healthcare such as medical imaging, drug discoveries, genetic, predictive diagnosis that can make use of data science. We can create bots that answer questions of patients and provide them with proper diagnostic guidelines. E-commerce and retail industries have been hugely benefited by data science. Interesting applications of data science in the e-commerce industries are recommendation engine, market basket analysis, warranty analytics, price optimization, inventory management, customer sentiment analysis, and several others. For identifying a potential customer base, data science is being heavily utilized. In the end, we can conclude that data science has created a vast impact on all the applications. Data-driven decision making is the need of the hour for every business these days. Data science and artificial intelligence technologies are being used for popular services like customer services chatbots at Bank of America, easy-to-search image on Facebook, and even automated fashion tips for clothing buyers of Amazon. Data scientists are among the top jobs that can be done remotely, and the field is expected to grow by 16% through 2020. If you have any question related to data science application, leave a comment below and subscribe to Data Pro for more interesting videos. Like, comment, share and enjoy learning.